When is fall in America? When is fall in America?
It is in September, October, November and December. It is in September, October, November and December.
Oh, how that is spring in New Zealand. Oh, how that is spring in New Zealand.
When is fall in New Zealand? When is fall in New Zealand?
It is in March, April, May and June. It is in March, April, May and June.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
So, when is summer in America? So, when is summer in America?
It is from June, July, August and September. It is from June, July, August and September.
June to September is winter in New Zealand. June to September is winter in New Zealand.
So, when is summer? So, when is summer?
Summer is December, January, February and March. Summer is December, January, February and March.
I want to go to New Zealand then. I want to go to New Zealand then.
Please come. Please come. What is your favorite month? What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is July. My favorite month is July.
Why do you like July? Why do you like July?
Because the weather is hot. And it is my birthday. Because the weather is hot. And it is my birthday.
Nice, my favorite month is February. Nice, my favorite month is February.
Why do you have a birthday in February? Why do you have a birthday in February?
No, but I have no school. No, but I have no school.
Good reason. Good reason.
In your country, what month is hot? In your country, what month is hot?
July is really very hot. July is really very hot.
What month is cold? What month is cold?
January is very cold. January is very cold.
What month gets lots rain? What month gets lots rain?
March. It is very wet in March. March. It is very wet in March.
What month is cool? What month is cool?
Both April and October have cool weather. Both April and October have cool weather.